Bethel Clouds TV, empowering lives.
Yes, people, welcome to Bethel Clouds TV. My name is Olvins Panguya. So today we have a privilege of hosting Apostle Waruinge. He's going to tell us why did he choose to go to Russia, and he's going to talk more about Russia. We're going to talk more about the world of politics, what is happening in Kenya, what's happening in DRC, what is happening in AU. So please be there. Welcome.
Thank you. How have you been?
You've been okay?
Yeah.
We missed you.
You really missed me.
Yeah.
I had gone to see Putin.
So we are.
You know Putin?
Yes, yes.
Where is Putin? Which country is called Putin?
In Russia. Putin is Russia.
Putin is in Russia.
Is in Russia. No, Putin is Russia.
Putin
is the president of Russia.
Is in Russia.
He's in Russia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which province? Russia.
In the State House.
So I was away. I was in Russia, Moscow.
Yes. Sir.
And I was on a mission. Always when you see me going out, when you see me doing anything, when you see me having a live interview like this one, having a recorded interview, wherever I am, I don't do things just because are being done. I don't say things because people are saying.
Yeah.
I'm on a mission. And I say just because the mission that I am has allowed me to say so at that particular time. Yeah. If it's not for that particular time, I will not say anything. I'll just keep mum and wait for that particular time. I was sometimes back with this guy called Plug TV.
Yeah. About
1 year ago, and I told him Raila is going nowhere. And he said no, and his followers really abused me because most of his followers are Raila, Alibaba's staunch supporters. They really abused me. They called me names. They said I'm Nibangi, Nijaba, Ninini. But eventually now, because it is tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow.
Is it tomorrow?
Yeah.
The possibility, the closest number Raila will be is number 3.
Because the margins of Sadiq later.
Not even if Sadiq was never there,
okay.
Even if nobody was there,
yeah.
He will still become number 3. Because you know somebody who's being haunted, yeah, by a curse. Because you see the DRC, the M23 war erupted just because of him. The spat between Ramaphosa and Trump just erupted because of him. The Gaza war just came in because of him. Because all these things, all the 3 battles, they point towards him. They act as a detriment to his aspiration.
Okay.
You see, when M23 started, yeah, there was an accusation. Ruto moved in a bad way, yes, that caused South Africa to look like they have been humiliated, and owing to the fact that Ruto is the chairman of East Africa.
Yes.
So whatever he said, whatever he did,
they said it's East Africa.
They said East Africa, yeah, community. Whatever he said as a chairman did not go well with Akina Ramaphosa, yeah, Akina Mnangagwa, yeah, and Mnangagwa is the chairman, yes, of SADC.
Yes.
So because of that, and some South African fella army are already captured in DRC. Yeah. So I don't see Ramaphosa siding with a country that is not siding with them.
Yeah.
You see, and that is, they have written a letter to all members of SADC. They say we have our own. Let us support our own.
They are 16.
They are 16.
Yes.
Now East Africa, we don't have the numbers.
Yeah.
And again, a person like Kagame will not vote for Raila. Kagame is relatively younger than Raila. He's older but younger than Raila, and he doesn't believe in old people. He doesn't believe in Akina Museveni. He doesn't believe in Akina those kind of. And they see Museveni is fighting Kagame from one side, and Museveni is a friend of Ruto. You see now. Yeah. The people you associate with are causing you to go down. The environment you are finding yourself in, yes, is it's like something programmed to fail you.
To failure.
Because now go to Gaza. Ruto was the first person to condemn Gaza. Yeah. So most of the 70% or the the African countries, they speak Arabic.
Yeah.
And also Francophone speakers.
Yeah,
Francophone speakers and Arabic nation speaking, they always vote as a bloc.
Yeah.
And that is where Mohammed is coming from.
Yeah.
Therefore, you find, as you see, Mohammed is coming from where? From Francophone.
Yeah.
Sadiq has moved.
That's Mauritania.
Yeah. There is a Mauritanian.
And then there's an is it Eritrean or Djibouti?
Djibouti. That's Mohammed from Djibouti. We have a Mauritanian. A Mauritanian is West Africa.
Yes.
The West Africa ECOWAS, they have also said they are going with their own.
Yes.
So these 4 people or 5 people, let's call them 4.
Yeah.
The South African one, the East African one, the West African one, and the Far East.
East one, yeah.
Yeah. Those will, the Far East and the Anglophone will vote together.
They can merge.
They will merge together. The West will go under ECOWAS, support their own. Sadiq will support their own. And the East African will support their own. So the closest number Raila can make is number 3. And if he manages to make number 3, it means that second round of voting is number 1 and number 2.
So he'll be out.
Automatically is out. That is why he had to come to Bomas to prepare people psychologically. I am coming home. That is why you saw the shenanigans of parliament. We want majority. It's just to prepare ground because he is coming.
So he's coming to cause chaos again?
He is coming to cause chaos. He is coming to make sure that Ruto goes home. Okay. And already now he has caused Gachagua to say we rigged you. He has caused the court to rule that they have the majority in parliament. Yeah. They have caused the environment to know that they won. He has made that. He has prepared a comeback home. Are you getting me? Yeah. So in a nutshell, what Raila is doing now is just a preparation of coming home. And if he comes home, he comes with a lot of bitterness. And the broad-based government will go down. And everything, or they will force this man to flee.
Yes.
Because they will say this government is ours. So the people from the opposition, akina Tahikagwe, no, the people.
Oh, they're from Jubilee before.
The people in government, the
Joho,
akina
the
Joho.
Badi.
No, those are ODM people.
Yeah, yeah.
Mutahi Kagwe is a Jubilee Uhuru man.
Wandai,
Joho, and the treasury guy.
Yeah, the Badi.
Then those are ODM people.
Energy guy.
What they will say, Raila will come and say, we won the election. So therefore, what will happen? You step out, leave us with the government.
The government, yeah.
Because already we have our own people inside the government.
We have the majority now.
So get out. This is our house.
So this is going to affect Ruto?
Ruto is going home. Ruto is going home anytime soon. Anytime as you are talking now, he's supposed to be at home. He's supposed to be packing.
Yeah.
Yes. If he doesn't pray very well and even communicate with God and tell God, please help me in this, make Raila to become the chairman there for me to survive.
The people are saying is hypocritically praying.
Who? He has to pray. Yeah. This one, I assure you, he has to pray. He doesn't have any way out. He has to pray. He has to become a prophet. He has to call people like us to go and pray with him. He has to call all the pastors to go and help him pray. He has to call everybody to go and assist him in prayers, because it is going to be messy, noisy. It is going to be a divorce.
Bethel Clouds TV, empowering lives.